everyone, welcome back to Car Review Hub 2025, your go-to channel for the latest car updates, reviews, and future automotive trends. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the all-new 2026 Dacia Sandero Stepway. The Stepway has always been a budget-friendly crossover that punches above its price tag, but this time, Dacia has stepped up its game with a smarter design, improved comfort, and better technology than ever before. If you're looking for an affordable, stylish, and efficient urban SUV alternative, this 2026 Sandero Stepway might just surprise you. Let's jump straight into what makes this car such a standout in its segment. Starting from the exterior design, the 2026 Dacia Sandero Stepway takes a bold step forward from its predecessor. The car now looks far more sophisticated and rugged, with a higher ride height and muscular proportions that give it that small crossover attitude. The front end features a refreshed grille design with a new illuminated Dacia emblem that stretches into sleek LED daytime running lights, giving it a modern and confident look. The headlights now have a sharper Y-shaped LED signature that adds personality, while the front bumper integrates stylish skid plates, emphasizing its adventurous spirit. From the side, you'll notice the cladding around the wheel arches and along the lower doors, providing extra protection and a tougher aesthetic. The roof rails are not just for show, they're fully functional and can transform into crossbars, making it easy to carry bikes or luggage for weekend trips. The 2026 Stepway rides on 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels that complete its elevated crossover appearance. At the rear, Dacia continues its signature Y design for the taillights, with a more premium layout and a cleaner tailgate design. The car looks more planted, modern, and youthful, especially in the desert orange, dusty blue, and slate gray color options. Among these, the desert orange easily stands out as the top pick. It pops under showroom lights and adds a vibrant, adventurous tone to the overall design. Now let's step inside the cabin, where Dacia has made some serious improvements. The interior of the 2026 Sandero Stepway is a massive leap forward in terms of quality, design, and practicality. The dashboard now has a soft-touch upper surface, contrasted with textured materials and color accents that give the interior a cheerful yet refined vibe. The new steering wheel is compact and multifunctional, wrapped in soft material for better grip. The digital instrument cluster behind it is clean, clear, and customizable, providing all essential driving information in a sharp new layout. In the center, you'll find a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. It's fast, responsive, and easy to use. Below that, the climate control knobs and toggles are neatly arranged, simple and intuitive, which is great to see in a car that keeps things user-friendly. The seats are surprisingly comfortable, with improved cushioning and supportive bolstering that make long drives a breeze. The Stepway also gets new upholstery designs, some trims even featuring eco-friendly materials. Cabin space is impressive. Passengers in the rear get generous legroom and headroom for a compact hatchback crossover hybrid. When it comes to cargo capacity, the 2026 Sandero Stepway offers around 328 liters of boot space, expandable to over 1,100 liters when you fold down the rear seats. That's plenty of room for luggage, shopping, or even camping gear. Now, let's talk performance, because Dacia has made sure the Stepway isn't just about looks and comfort. Under the hood, the 2026 model offers a range of efficient powertrains depending on the market. The highlight remains the 1.0-liter turbocharged TCE 110 engine, delivering around 110 horsepower and 200 newton-meters of torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a smooth CVT automatic transmission. This setup gives the car enough punch for city driving and even highway cruising, while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency, around 48 miles per gallon combined, depending on configuration. There's also the TCE 100 bi-fuel variant, which runs on both petrol and LPG, offering lower emissions and greater fuel economy. Some European markets are also expected to see a mild hybrid variant, enhancing efficiency even further. Ride quality is where the Stepway continues to impress. Its higher ground clearance and upgraded suspension system absorb bumps with ease, providing a stable and confident drive, whether you're navigating city potholes or rough countryside roads. The steering feels light but precise, making urban driving effortless. On the technology and safety front, the 2026 Sandero Stepway introduces several upgrades. It now comes with adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. The parking assist system and 360-degree camera make tight spaces easy to handle. Connectivity has also been modernized. You'll find USB-C ports, wireless smartphone charging, and over-the-air updates for the infotainment system. There's even a built-in navigation option for drivers who prefer not to use their phones. Dacia has truly brought the Stepway up to modern standards while keeping things simple and reliable. When it comes to pricing and trims, Dacia continues its reputation for affordability. The 2026 Sandero Stepway is expected to start around $17,000 for the base Essential trim, with the Expression and Extreme trims offering more premium materials, added tech, and upgraded wheels, maxing out near $22,000. This makes it one of the most budget-friendly crossovers in its class, offering incredible value for money. So, what's the final verdict? The 2026 Dacia Sandero Stepway isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. It proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a car that looks great, drives well, and comes packed with modern tech. It's stylish, efficient, and fun to drive, a perfect match for young families, first-time buyers, or anyone who wants an affordable crossover that doesn't compromise on personality. If you're in the market for a practical and stylish compact car that delivers far more than its price suggests, the new Dacia Sandero Stepway deserves a top spot on your list. Thanks for watching Car Review Hub 2025. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment below telling us what you think about the 2026 Sandero Stepway, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth car reviews every week. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest updates in the world of automotives. Until next time, this is Car Review Hub 2025, bringing you the future of driving today.